In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream Google Chrome on Discord. If you've ever wanted to share a web page, a presentation, or a demo straight from your browser with friends or your community, this guide will take you from start to finish in just a few clear steps. First, make sure you're using the Discord desktop app on your computer. Streaming specific apps like Google Chrome requires the desktop app, so the web version won't do. Go ahead and open Discord on your PC, then open Google Chrome and load the exact tab or window you want to show. Having the content ready helps Discord detect the Chrome window right away. As a quick heads up, streaming individual apps isn't available on mobile. Mobile devices can only share the entire screen, so desktop is the easiest and most reliable way to do this. Next, head into the server where you plan to stream and join the voice channel where your viewers will meet you. The stream happens inside a voice channel, so choose the one your audience can access. Once you're connected, you're ready to start the share. Look to the bottom left of the Discord app and click the screen button. This opens a panel with your streaming options. You'll see choices like your entire screen, application window, and Chrome tab. Sometimes the Chrome-related option appears as Chrome depending on your setup. For the cleanest share, select application window and then choose Google Chrome from the list. This keeps the stream focused on Chrome only, so notifications or other apps won't appear. If you have multiple Chrome windows, select the one that contains the tab you want to show and confirm you've got the right content visible in that window. Before you go live, set your stream quality and frame rate. Higher settings make motion smoother and text crisper. If you have Discord Nitro, you can bump this up to 1080p at 60 frames per second for a polished look. If you're not using Nitro, choose the best available option that keeps things clear for your audience. Keep in mind that higher settings use more bandwidth, so match the quality to your connection and your viewers' needs. When everything looks good, click Go Live. Discord will start streaming your selected Chrome window to the voice channel, and anyone in the channel can click to watch. That's all there is to it. Simple, focused, and perfect for sharing exactly what's in your browser without distractions.